Well done beef is best. A1 is good on steak. Woo! I need one more good rip, roar, and wave, at least. But it's a waiting game is what sucks. SUP systems, online. Paddle systems, online. Wetsuit systems, online. Swell systems, waiting, 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 waiting. Damn, I lost it. Woo, there we go, there we go, there we go. Yeah, it sucks. Ooh, all right, we'll make that whooping, see? This is a little one, though. That's all right. That's all right, because we're going to stay down and in front of it. We're going to stay low. Oh, yeah. And then we're going to cut back. Woo! There we go, there we go. All right. All right, can I stay in it? I think I can. Think it's going to have like a grand finish on the inside? Probably not. This is about as grand as it's going to get right here. Oh, shit. I should have taken that. Woo! That's all right, because its partner here is gonna go off there. All right. Woo, I may have to take the left. I'm gonna take the left. Woo, I gotta work on backside anyway, ever since my loss at Arenzis. I'm backside challenged. I probably look goofy as hell doing it right now. Ew! Save the mic. It's coming. It's coming, and when it comes, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be tough. And it's gonna be hard to bluff. Hard to bluff is coming. Ooh, stay right here. Don't go any further. Don't go any deeper. Here we go, matey. Hi. So I hear ye be hard. Rough, tough, and hard to catch is what they are. Look at this. You really want to try this one? Why not? Take it left. Nope, don't. Just be patient. Think I'm dumb to take it? I don't know. Whoa. Perched on the nose. Ew. Whoa. That was kind of awkward and weird. And then here comes the set. You gotta quit taking those preset waves. Of course, I don't know what I just rode. Did it look like that? Probably not. Think I could get in this little pocket rocket? You! Oh yeah. Pocket rocket? Is it gonna be a pocket rocket? Woo! Whoa! Woo! Okay. This is the one. This is the one. There we go, there we go. It's gonna close though. Woo! Yeah! All right, brother. Come on now, come on. Woo! Good old Texas waves, boy. Woo! Save the mic. Always. This is one hell of a life we're living out here. Don't ever think I'm taking it for granted. Not a day goes by that I don't absolutely feel, I guess you call it blessed, whatever. Especially I'll see some of the situations people are in and feel horrible. I wish they could all be in this situation, you know? And here comes one of those. Okay, maybe this one. Maybe. Nope. Okay. Piece of shit. You know, most people are addicted to drugs. I'm addicted to KE. That's KE right there. Kinetic energy. Always looking for it. And I think there might be some up here. I feel crappy. I don't know the words to it though. I don't know the words to any of them. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. This next bit is all about red-blooded Americans and their cuisine choices. Now, I personally love good old red-blooded American food. I kind of get sick of the whole snot f***ery thing around food. Because, you know, well done beef is best. A1 is good on steak. Woo! And expensive alcohol, it's still bad for you. It might as well be malt liquor. These are the facts of the red-blooded American world. Woo! Oh yeah, and milk chocolate is superior.